Yes, good afternoon.
We have covered the design procedure of the welded connection, and also we have seen the one of the examples of the design of welded connection. So today we will see the second example of the welded connection. So you can write down. So example number two on the design of welded connection. So write down everyone. A tie member of a truss, consists of a tie member of a truss consists of double angle section, comma, each 80 mm by 8 mm, each 80 mm by 80 mm by 8 mm, welded on opposite side of 12 mm thick gusset plate. Welded on opposite side of 12 mm thick gusset plate, as shown in figure. Full stop. Design a fillet weld. For making the connection. Design the fillet weld for making the connection in the workshop full stop. In the workshop, full stop. The factored tensile force in the member is 300 kilonewton. The factored tensile force in the member is a 300 kilonewton. So this is the problem statement, and they have given the figure, so you can draw the figure. Okay, so they have given figure like this. This is the yellow one side, and this side they have given yellow. Then this is the your tensile force they have given 300 kilonewton. This distance is your CXX. Again, this is the plate, and to this plate, the double ISA they have given. So double ISA, it means like this they have given, and we have to weld at top of both sides and bottom of both sides. So this is your CXX. This is the CG. Okay. So now they have given the section 80 by 80 by 8. It means this length is 80 mm and also this CG 80 mm. So 80 by 80 by 8 section they have given. So this is the figure also they have shown. Okay. Now we have to follow the procedure. Okay. So whatever data they have not given, that we will assume. So they have not given grade of steel. So we will assume here, assume grade of steel, that is Fe410, but they have not given. So for this Fe410, value of Fy is 410 Newton per mm square. Okay. Also, they have given data to ISA 80 mm by 80 mm by 8 mm. Also, they have given thickness of the set plate. Again, they have given thickness of the set plate is 12 mm. Then tensile force is equal to factored tensile force also given. T is equal to 300 kilonewton. And also partial safety factor gamma MW they have given. They have given is the welding is done at workshop. Workshop means any shop. So gamma MW is a 1.25. So this much data they have given. Write them fast. It's over. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will go step by step. So one example we have solved on this particular type in the last lecture. So step number 1, write down, calculate size of weld, correct? That is yes. The size of weld, yes, is equal to, how we can calculate size of weld? Yes. Yes, how we can calculate? Anyone can tell me how we can calculate size of well?
0.7 into S.
Mm, size of well is 0.7 into S or throat thickness is a 0.7 into S. Huh. Size of well we are taking from table number 21, page number 78, IS 800 2007. This is depend on throat thickness of gusset plate. So how much thickness of gusset plate? 12 mm is the thickness of gusset plate. So from the thickness of gusset plate, S is equal to how much? It is given in the page number 78, table number 21, IS 800 2007. It is given if 0 to 10 mm thickness is given, then size of 12S is equal to 3 mm. 10 to 20 mm is given. This is given 5 mm. 20 to 32, it is given 6 mm. Like this, given or not. If you not open IS code, then you will not understand anything. Please open the IS code. This on the page. Now go on the page number 78 and find this value. This is how much? 5 mm, no?
5 mm.
So you have to go on this particular table. Okay, then next step number 2, calculate throat thickness. Calculate throat thickness. T is equal to, so T is equal to now here 0.7 into S. So 0.7 into S already we have calculated here. So 0.7 into S is 0.7 into 5. So 3.5 mm. Is this correct? Calculation 0.7 into 5. Correct?
Sir, yes. Sir.
So now step 3. Do the calculations fast. Now step 3 is calculate design strength of the weld. So which type of weld is given in the problem statement? Have you read problem statement properly? Which weld type of weld we have to design? Yes.
Fillet weld.
Fillet weld. So we have to use the formula for fillet weld. So FDW is equal to FU into LW into T divided by under root of 3 gamma MW. So in this way you have to write this formula and keep remembering this formula. So FU LW. So FW we have to calculate. So FW is equal to 410 into LW into T, how much? Throat thickness 3.5 divided by under root into 1.25. So how much FDW? FDW is equal to how much? You can write here only. How much this in terms of LW? FDW is equal to how much?
29.
Huh? Please loudly.
662.79 LW.
662.79.
Yes, sir.
662.79 LW. This is the strength of design strength of the weld. Okay. So now go to step number 4. Go to step number 4. Calculate effective length of the weld. So now calculation of effective length of the weld. First we have to equate factored load and design strength of the weld. Factored load and design strength of the weld. So factored load is a 300 into 10 raised to 3 is equal to design strength of the weld is 662.79 LW. So you can calculate LW here. So actually here also 10 raised to 3 is there. No, sorry. Just here. How much LW now here? Hmm.
452.63.
452.63 mm is the total length of the weld. And this total length of the weld for okay, so we'll see. So this LW is the total length of the weld for both angle at top and bottom. So now, but here LW is equal to 2 into L1 plus L2. Whatever I have written, is this correct or wrong? Why 2? I have written here because the both angles are there and whatever 300 kilonewton load is acting on both the angle. So here only we have written 300 into 10 raised to 3. So this total 300 kilonewton load is on both angles. So this much length is for टोटल 300 किलोमीटर. मग म्हणजेच याला डिवाइडेड बाय 2 करायला पाहिजे की नाही 452 ला. कारण का टोटल 300 किलोमीटर लोड हा कशावरती गेला तुमच्या दोन्ही अँगल वरती. मग ही जी त्याच्यामुळे जी लेंथ आली ती ही दोन्ही अँगल साठी आली. दोन्ही अँगलच्या टॉपला आणि दोन्ही अँगलच्या बॉटमला आली. सो 2 into L1 plus L2 जर आपण केलं तर इट इज फॉर 4. दिस इज फॉर ओके. So here this is the condition L1 and L2. So this is L1, this is again L1, this is L2, this is L2. So this, it means what? This L1 is for both sides. 2 into L1, it means what here? त्याचं मीनिंग काय? 2 into L1 plus L2 म्हणजेच काय? L1 दोन साइडला आणि L2 दोन साइडला म्हणजे टोटल 452 ची काय होणार आहे? चारही साइडला वेल्डिंगची लेंथ जाणार आहे. त्याच्यातली 2 sides of L1 and 2 sides of L2. आलं लक्षात सर्वांचे? हे आर यू गेटिंग? this 452 length is for 4 sides. So out of 2 of L1 and 2 for L2. Got it this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, next, by taking moment at top of angle section. It means we have to take the moment at top and at bottom. So it means what? M at top is equal to 0. So this is your 300 kilonewton force. This is L1. This is L2 length. This is CXX. This is your CG. Okay. Okay. So now we are taking the moment at top. So here L1 into how much?
0.
0.
0.
Then L2 into this is L2 force due to this welding.
80.
80. So this depth is a 80. Okay, but sign for L2 into 80, is this clockwise or anti-clockwise towards this top?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. It means this is the positive. Got it? Then next force 300 kilonewton into 300. It means actually we can call as a T force. T into how much?
80 minus CXX.
80 minus CXX. Now we have to find the value of CXX also. And it is this clockwise or anti-clockwise towards top?
Anti-clockwise.
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 So this is the our moment at top equation. So find the CXX value. As similar we have calculated or seen in the last lecture or last problem. So find the CXX value for this 80 by 80 by 8 mm. So go to steel table and find this value. So here L1 is 0, 80 L2 minus T into 80 minus CXX. So everyone please tell me value of CXX. Go to steel table. I think everyone having steel table. How much? 80 L2 is equal to T into 80 minus CXX. So how much value of CXX? This angle is 80 by 80 by 8. क्या है? Okay. One of our friend has given answer in chat box. Others, please. The 27.3. So 80L2 is equal to, now here T, how much? T is the 300. So 80 minus 27.3 mm. Is this correct, or 80 by 80 by 8 section is there? Is this 27.3? Others, please respond me. Then how I know, I should know this answer is correct or wrong. Shall I confirm this is the correct answer? The section is given 80 by 80 by no one is giving answer. कसं कळायचं मला ते बरोबर आहे की नाही चुकीचं आहे? उदयनी सांगितलेलं आन्सर बरोबर आहे का चुकीचं आहे कसं समजू मी? जर कोणच आयस पुढे स्टील टेबल ओपन करत नसेल मग माझ्यासाठी चाललंय का फक्त हे? You are the diploma students, you know how to use the steel table. देते का कोण आन्सर? Uday, whatever answer you have given, is this correct? 27.3 or 22.7? Something wrong from your side. तर तुम्ही CXX चा आन्सर चुकीचं सांगितलंय तर पुढे L1 ची व्हॅल्यू सांगून मला काय उपयोग आहे? उदय, ऋतुजा, whatever answer given of CXX is wrong, then how you are giving me a L1 answer then of welding at top set? Have you seen 80 by 80 by 8 angle? The CXX value is a 22.7. Please verify this. It is very difficult to view after the examination. If you are not using the steel table, you are not using the IS code. You are sitting for lecture totally blank. Only one student giving me answer, that also wrong. See here, I have shared the steel table. Is this, you can see this?
Yes, sir.
Rutuja, You are giving answer. These answers are wrong. You have taken the CXX value, wrong value. Then how you can calculate the L1 and L2? Please, whatever I am telling, please respond me. तुम्ही जे आन्सर काढायला लागलाय मी CXX ची व्हॅल्यू चुकीची आहे तर तुम्ही L1 आणि L2 कसं सांगायला लागलाय? See here, 80 by 80 by 8 mm thickness. So you can see here 2.27 centimeter CXX and CYY value is here. So Uday, you have told me 27.3. This value is 22.7. Are you agree? Uday? Yours is correct or mine is correct?
सर 2.27 आहे का तिथं?
आहे की बघा की मी आता स्क्रीन दिसते का शेअर केलेली मी?
येस सर.
हा बघा ना मग काय लिहिले ते 2.27 आहे. नाही मी तुम्हाला रागवत नाहीये उदय. At least you are searching something. Others are totally blank. They don't have this steel table also. They are not responding. जर चुकलं असेल तर एकदा करेक्शन करा उदय, बघा एकदा कन्फर्मेशन करून घ्या बरोबर आहे का. इथं आहे बघा 80 by 80 by 8 चं सेक्शन आहे, 8 mm थिकनेस आहे. ही लाईन बघा, त्या लाईनला इथं दिलेलं आहे बघा 2.27. It means 22 point. Correct now? Uday?
Yes sir.
Okay, so it means this value is 27. 22.7. 22.7. Now do the calculation. So now tell me. So how much L2?
$214.87.
214.87 is a L2. Okay. So we can assume L2 is equal to 215 mm. But actually this is for, so we can say actually this L2 value is for both angles. So it means L2 divided by, here we have to write for single angle. So this value is for double angle. This value is for double angle. Why? Because total 300 kilonewton load is there. For this 300 kilonewton, we have calculated LW. Okay, so now this L2 value is for both the angles. So similarly, we have to calculate for single angle. So single angle, how much this?
107.44.
107.44 mm. So L2 is equal to 108 mm. Say L2 is equal to 108 mm. Now, or but LW is equal to 2 into L1 plus L2, correct? So now 2 into LW is how much? 450.
52.63.
63. So 452.63 is equal to 2 into L1 plus now value of L2 is 108. So now tell me L1 is equal to how much?
One one 118.315.
118.315. It means say L1 is equal to 120, we can say. You know, 120. So this is for single angle. So it means total LW is now total LW is equal to 2 into L1 plus L2. It means how much? 2 into L1 किती घेतले आपण 120 आणि L2 किती घेतले 108. So total किती होते आता? So this is the final length you have to provide.
Four hundred 56.
456.
456. So we required 400 and total. It is greater than how much? 452.63.
63.
म्हणजे आपण 452.63 च्या अगेन्स्ट आपण 456 प्रोव्हाइड करतो. Are you getting everyone? So again you can draw the sketch. So this is your L1. L1 is a 120 mm. This is your 107. It means this is the plate. This is the angle, both sides, and here you are welding. So these are the total 4 sides are there. So if you draw this sketch like this, so in this way at top and bottom you can okay. So in this way we can weld both the sides. Are you getting everyone? या पद्धतीने आपण दोन्ही साइडला वेल्डिंग करणार. So figure is very important here. Got it, everyone? हा जसा अँगल या बाजूला आहे तसा पलीकडच्या बाजूला पण अँगल आहे. मग तेवढ्याच लेंथला टॉपला आणि बॉटमला पण वेल्डिंग करणार. सो दिस टोटल 456. आर यू गेटिंग? आहे का झोपला? कोणीच बोलत नाही. Okay, so here our end of the unit number 2. So next lecture onwards we will see the unit number 3, that is tension member. So here our end of the unit number 2. So we have covered the 2 examples on the horizontal welded connection and 2-3 examples on the load carrying capacity of the welded connection. Okay, got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.